Okay, here is a Lasko 20-inch box fan, model 3723, and it is from 2007 to 2008. This is in pretty good condition. It has the older Lasko badge with the flag on the K. Haven't used it in a while. It does have its feet still. The handle's still there. It's in pretty good shape. It's not yellowed, other than this got chipped off. It's a little rusty in some spots. But other than that, it works perfectly fine. I don't use it that often, but when I do, it does the job pretty good. So let me go ahead and undo the cord really quick. Alright. This one's still intact. For focus. It's a little cracked. It's not focusing. This one broke off, but still works. Alright, we'll go ahead and look this fan over and we'll turn it on. So here's the front. There's the badge. Like I said earlier, it's the older badge. Side. Here's the back. And I should put the camera down for this. Bottom. And informations, if I can get it in view, that'll be great. It's right there. And it is from 2007 to 2008. I like to try to get the older models that has the bigger motor in it. Here's the plug. It's polarized. Alright, plug this in. Cord. Plug is pretty bent. Yeah, I'll have to bend it back with some pliers. Alright, start off with low. I'm sorry about that air conditioner. The neighbor's an air conditioner over there. I don't know if that camera's picking up that noise or not, but it's a nice quiet low, which is what I like, and definitely puts out a nice good breeze. Alright, we'll go to medium. It's pretty powerful. These fans were still pretty good back at that day. Now the ones today, it's like, it's not as great as these. Of course, there's others older than this that are better. Alright, we'll go to high. This day. Yes, it will. Nice, strong air mover. Alright, turn this off. Not sure when the last time I lubricated the bearings. Might have been a year and a half ago now. It's still pretty good. So, well, there you have it. The 20-inch Lasko box fan model 3723, and the year is 2007, 2008.